Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to switch account in Call of Duty Mobile using Facebook account. Well, to do that, open your Call of Duty Mobile application on your mobile device. Then in here, tap the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Then in here, find the Legal and Privacy tab. Then tap on it. Then in here, just tap the logout button at the bottom right corner of your screen. So just tap on the logout button and confirm your action. But before logging out, make sure that you have linked your account to a Facebook or Activision account to avoid losing your progress. Now, log in to your new account after logging out, so you will be taken back to the main screen. To log in to your new account, just tap on the Sign In button and select the method you use to create your new account, like Facebook, Activision, or Call of Duty account. Log in to your Facebook account. If you created a new account using Facebook, you will need to log in to your Facebook account on your device. Then after that, sign in to your new account in Call of Duty Mobile and go back to Call of Duty Mobile and tap on the Sign In with Facebook button. So this will take you to the Facebook login screen. Enter your credentials and wait for the game to load. Verify your new account once you have signed in. Verify that you are now playing on your new account. Then check your player stats and level to ensure that you have successfully switched account. And that's how to switch account in Call of Duty Mobile with Facebook COD Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.